As the seasons change and the air turns colder, it signals the closing of one chapter and the opening of another. In the year of 1996, with more than a decade of expertise in foundry casting, I stood before an empty workshop, ready to take my first step into the world of industrial innovation. The road ahead was filled with challenges. We had no capital, no established customer base, and lacked advanced equipment. Yet, instead of giving up, we committed ourselves to the work, doing everything we could to meet the needs of every customer. The opportunities created by a globalizing economy became evident, and we seized them. We formed partnerships with companies from Japan, combining our expertise and vision to raise the standards of casting excellence. This collaboration led to the founding of Zhongyan Casting.
The ministerial conference
so agrees.
In 2001, with the reduction of tariffs and the rapid growth of international trade, we were presented with new opportunities to work with companies across borders. We ensured that our products met international standards, and in doing so, Zhongyan Casting began making its mark in global markets. By 2010, the landscape of global manufacturing had shifted dramatically. With industries around the world increasingly demanding precision and quality. The rise of advanced technologies such as coordinate measuring machines, X-ray inspection systems, and state-of-the-art casting technology allowed us to meet these evolving demands. This dedication to innovation helped us attract clients in high-precision fields, and we were honored to win a casting order for CHSR doors. Looking back, the journey has been shaped by our embrace of new technologies and our willingness to challenge ourselves. But just as we had risen to meet one challenge, another arrived. One day, Siemens sent us their drawing documents. We had heard of their rigorous standards, but we did not realize how high the requirements were for their medical device parts. Material hardness, dimensional accuracy, surface finish. Each specification seemed more demanding than the last. As the partnership deepened, the scale and complexity of the castings increased, while Siemens's machining processes grew harder to adjust. Any misalignment of the reference datum would disrupt the assembly process. Our existing measurement tools were not up to the task. That's when a pivotal moment occurred. Advanced 3D scanning technology from Shining 3D transformed our approach to these manufacturing challenges. Shining 3D engineers brought in scanning equipment capable of scanning large workpieces and intricate structures, producing precise, full-size models in just minutes. Their expertise in casting and measurement offered a solution to the misalignment problem. By comparing the scanned data with the digital model, we could pinpoint the deviations and adjust the workpiece datum to align perfectly with Siemens's stringent machining process. This breakthrough resolved the long-standing issue, and the acceptance process went smoothly. With the support of 3D digitizing technology, Zhongyan Casting once again positioned itself ahead of the curve. The journey of Zhongyan Casting is not just a testament to the evolution of industrial inspection tools, but also a reflection of the transformation occurring in the global manufacturing landscape. Today, we continue to embrace the future with optimism. Together with Shining 3D, we will leverage innovative technologies to drive precision manufacturing, setting new benchmarks and contributing to the future of industries worldwide.